show you guys a new video about silk farm. So I'm gonna introduce you about silk farm, so come with me. Okay guys, I'm now here and I need with one sir here. It's him. So I want to ask you about this silkworm. What do it looks like and what do it forms of? Looks like a butterfly. Oh, I'm afraid of that.
Yes. So I would like to tell you about the process. All of this. It is the cocoon. Inside cocoon, it is moth. You know moth like butterflies.
But they don't bite.
They don't bite. They cannot fly. Why? Because big body and soft wing. They cannot fly. They have male and female. It is the male. It is the female. They stay together long time, 12 hours together. Then we separate them. Male it die, and female lay the egg. So one moth can lay the egg 300 egg. After 12 hours later, egg they hatching to become baby worm here. Then we give them mulberry leaf for them eat. From first stage to fourth stage, worm 3 days eating, 1 day they sleep. And we get them food step by step. Life cycle is not long, just 47 days only. You can see here the worm. I show you the worm
Okay,
here.
so come the next part.
Here. It's the worm. You can't touch them, okay? They don't bite you. They have no poisons. Never bite. Yeah, never bite.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like this on your palm. You just one or yeah.
This one. This one.
Yeah, give you the one.
Okay, guys. Okay, I'm ready with this.
It's good. It's soft. Yeah.
Oh, guys. Oh, okay. So that's it, and I'm really afraid of because I touch it. But now, if you subscribe to me and click the bell, I will touch it. Okay? So promise, guys. Okay. Okay, so I touched it already, so could you guys subscribe it for me, please? Okay, so that look interesting and really afraid of that one because I'm not really good with worms or something else because I'm really afraid of that. Look at it, it's like really cute. Oh, I love it, but I'm afraid of it. I don't know why they act like that.
They don't bite. They don't have poison anything.
Oh.
They just eat the leaf like that.
They have mouth, but they don't bite.
Never bite.
Okay, so now I'm gonna touch it again, but I'm really scared to touch that. Okay, so I'm gonna touch that one.
Yeah, that one.
Do this one bite? Okay, so I touched it already. Okay, please subscribe. Look at it. I'll let you see near. Ah! Okay, so now I'm really afraid of too much. Okay, so I touched it already, but I don't know if this, because when I come and then I start, this is, it's not soft at all, but when I touch it, it's soft. Oh guys. Is this, move or not? They lay eggs.
It is the cocoon.
The cocoon.
So the cocoon is the worm nest. So worm feed them from baby worm until worm 24 days. When worm 24 days, worm start to build cocoon.
A cocoon.
So you can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel it. You can, yeah.
Yeah.
So one cocoon it have 2 layers silk, 2 types of silk. Outside layer, raw silk. We call raw silk. It rough a little bit. 100 meters long. 100 meters long, and inside fine silk, 300 meters long. So 400 meters long. And then worm they stay inside cocoon for 1 week later. Worm they will turn body to become moth, butterfly insects. You hear something?
No, can I hear that one because I don't hear something at all.
Here, you can feel it.
Oh yeah, I hear something.
The moth inside like butterfly inside.
Yeah, so guys, so I'm gonna let you hear. Do you hear it? I know you guys can't hear because this is really a little bit of sound. It's not really loud at all, but yeah, it's really look interesting too, but so cool. Look at this. Wow, I never see things like this, guys. It's so really cool.
Just outside part to make a pathway. Small lines stick together.
It's really sticky.
Yeah, and these lines span around 80 cocoon. 80 cocoon get one line, and full of the wheel around 3,000 cocoon fill it.
But why do they kill them?
And yeah, good question. Why we kill them? If we don't kill them, moth inside, they will come out, they will break the seal. When seal it break, we cannot use it. It stick together, cannot use it.
The most fun part and interesting. It's like we can see really well, and that is a string. We can make a clothes, but the small one and like something in the example like it's a box, so we can eat that one, but not a string. The string we use for making clothes, shirts, pants. It's so interesting and cool, and they like turn around that, so they have a lot of string already. It's really a lot. So that's what I'm going to show you. But it turned white already because we just killed them. So they become white, it's not yellow again. Sir said when it's not yet dye, it yellows, but when we make into the strings, it's like really white. Oh, it's like before it's like really sticky, but now it's not really sticky because now they just prepare them properly. We can make that as clothes. I love it so much. They put colors and they put design. So guys, even this purple. Wow, look at it. Okay guys, so now I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe and click the bell to see another episode. Okay, so goodbye guys. Woo!